Things to do in Baguio in 2025. This is a 2-day, 1-night itinerary you might want to try.
Hello, good morning. It's almost 6 a.m. We're supposed to take Joy Bus. Pero itong kumari ko, sinabi ko na mag-book online. Hindi nag-book online. Chance passenger daw. Weekend and summer. Look at our spot. Siyempre, kinuha na natin kasi ayoko na maghintay ng oras. Look at this. Ito po kami. Yan yung mga tunay na upuan. Yan po yung mga seats talaga. Yung comfortable seats. And this is us. Sulod na po lahat ng sakit sa likod at puwet at buong katawan. But you know, sabi niya kapag maikli ang kumot, matutong maluktot. Pag mabaho ang kumot, takpan ng ilong. If ever more of anything happy at ang travel namin itong kumari ko na impromptu, please do follow me at Occasions of Joy. And you're watching! Enjoy life! Be kind, be good. Isa lang yan. Make it right. Dahil puyat, pagod, gutom. First stop namin dito sa Baguio for 2025, Baden-Powell Grotto House. Tara, kain tayo. Ito yung noodles na huling nakain ko dito ay 2019. Si Aki na ilang taon na nag-aaral dito. First time kakain dito sa Baden. At ang aking kumare, ngayon lang din kakain. Lugaw with egg. Lugaw with egg and okra. Yan ang order ni Mare. Ang laki ng servings nila ay mabubusog ka ng tunay, kaya kung pwede mag-half na lang kayo, dapat nag-half na lang kami ni Aki. Eto, inubos-ubos ko lang kasi sayang. Siyempre, kailangan dumaan sa Baguio Cathedral. This is the view here at Hot Cat. We're gonna have coffee here today. As recommended by Aki. Masarap daw ang kape rito. Malalaman natin yan mamaya. This is Haven for toy collectors. And also for cat lovers. Here in Baguio, we're on the hunt for a masarap na kape. And our first stop, as referred and highly recommended by Aki, my Spanish latte. Sarap. Cinnamon latte. Grilled cheese at 230. Ito, sulit ito. You have to try it here at Hot Cat. At Pink Sisters, this is walking distance from Hot Cat. So yan, marami ka nang magagawa. For my second cup of coffee today, here at Baguio Gallery. They just opened 5 days ago. This is highly recommended by Aki there. Sabi niya maganda raw. We're gonna check out. Siyempre yung kape naman ang pinunta natin dito. But first, look around you. If you're an artist, an art enthusiast, ayan. Ito yan, ganda oh. Siyempre ang ating counter with Stephen here. Dahil mainit na ngayon, nag-order na kami ng iced coffee. Caramel macchiato for me. Spanish latte for Maring Riza. I like their coffee base kasi hindi maasim. Hindi rin lasang sunog. At sinunod yung level of sweetness that I like. So, yeah. Pasado sa akin. Cinnamon slice. When you're here, i-order nyo ang cinnamon slice at 45 pesos. Sulit ito, masarap. Meeting today at Good Shot Coffee are the Pretty Metic students of University of Baguio. Hello, girls! First time din nila ngayon, kaya interviewin natin sila. Kung ano masasabi nila dito sa The Good Shot Coffee.
The Good Shot Cafe was good. It was good for its price and good for students din po since budget-friendly po yung foods dito at saka yung drinks. Tapos yung ambience po nung cafe is good naman po. And ang cozy po. Parang I feel like I'm home na po.
Happy birthday, Judy! Happy birthday to you! Finally made it at Latier to Grand. Ang daming choices at lahat sila masarap. Ang bango. Ang sarap ng amoy. So, dapat medyo maawa ka din sa mga nakapila. Kaya hindi na namin uubusin. Nakakahiya naman. Bigyan natin sila ng chance. Kasi lahat tayo excited to taste. But of course, ako familiar na ako with Chef Didier's pastries. Kaya I'm highly recommending you go here. This is the better half, Mirns, of Chef Didier. Chef Didier and Mirns here. I am so happy to see you again. I've known this couple for more than 10 years. Yeah. Through Joy. Hello, Maring Joy. Thank you. Happy Chef. Sister, I'm so happy. Alam mo, wala na akong sasabihin. So, I'm so happy. You don't have to invite them because you're already big. But please invite them.
We said if you want to visit us, we are located sa 37 Military Cato. Just Google L'Atelier du Grand, you will find us.
Okay, that's L'Atelier.
I'm having a hard time pronouncing it. L'Atelier.
L'Atelier is fine.
This is the gallery restaurant.
Dito na kami magdi-dinner and this is what we ordered. Ribs and ayo oyo. For dessert, we're having these pastries pero separate ito from the bill. The view is amazing from this restaurant. So, ang gandang tignan ng kapaligiran. Maganda rin ang ambience at merong tumutugtog na acoustic. Our total bill is almost 1,400 lang.
Anong masasabi mo, Mare?
Masarap yung pasta.
Masarap yung food nila. Medyo matigas yung ribs, pero masarap.
Sarap naman. But then, I expect lang if it's rib na dapat pula lang ako. Medyo matigas daw. But it's okay naman for the price.
Maganda yung service. Very nice. Babalik?
Babalik.
Babalik. 1969 pa itong Rose Bowl Steakhouse and Restaurant. At matagal na rin akong pabalik-balik sa Baguio. But this is my first time to eat here. Kaya tara, pasukin natin because ang mga kasama ko ay nasa loob na. Let's go. Malaki ang lugar. Meron pa sila sa taas. Okay, this is the Chinese cuisine. This is Andre. Born and raised here. Pero first time niya din mag-Rose Bowl. So sabay-sabay namin dito try kung magugustuhan namin ang pagkain dito sa Rose Bowl. This is actually Pancit Canton. Pero sa dami ng gulay, it looks a lot like chop suey. Rose Bowl fried rice. Patatim. Patatim. Pareho namin gusto. Halika na, kain tayo ng patatim. Ang sarap.
This is our total bill.
So, nagustuhan naman namin lahat. Ang aming first time here sa Rose Bowl. At may take out pa si Aki, oh. Ang init na sa labas kasi it's summer. So, after you're having lunch at Rose Bowl, dito kami ngayon sa City Lights Hotel. Maganda dito, ha. Look at this. It's a business lounge wherein, yeah, people can drop by. So, pwede kang tumambay. Yung mga estudyante, meron nag-aaral doon dito. But of course, you have to order. Hindi pwedeng tambay lang talaga, ha. I'm having cafe macchiato. Mare, what is yours?
This is lemongrass, but earlier I had cafe latte.
Yeah, lemongrass.
Yes, then
Nagpapaka-healthy, kunyari.
this is the
Clubhouse
sandwich. Masarap daw, sabi nila Aki. But the chips is very delicious. Ako yung nakaubos.
Andre and Aki had their own drinks pero hindi ko na nakunan.
Maganda rin ang hindi nagdadala ng car sa Baguio. Kasi yan, we get to exercise, we get to walk, and run. Ayan o, traffic. Kaya yung kagandahan, kasi yan nga, nakakapagpapawis. Tapos hindi tayo maiipit sa traffic. Kaya, paminsan-minsan, lakad-lakad din. Ang kagandahan kapag nagko-commute, di ka nag-aalala kung saan mo iiwan ang iyong sasakyan. At makakapunta ka pa sa store ni Sister Cherry. Punta kayo dito sa market, Baguio Market, dito o, ayan o. Eto, ayan yan, malapit lang dun sa coffee beans na binibilihan ninyo, ha? Ayan, dito tayo mamimili. Ayan, thank you, sister. We'll see you again. Thank you. Ang ganda talaga ng Baguio. I wish may bahay ako dito. Mga pinamili namin, puro gulay. Thank you for Andre here. Thank you, Andre. Here at Abong. This is my first time here. This is my last night. Hindi ko to nadadaanan madalas. But because of Aki, I'm gonna try it tonight. Aesthetic. Maganda ang lugar. At may nagaganap na intimate wedding reception. With a live band, this place is really nice. We'll see if the food is going to be okay as well.
Complimentary kropek,
Kare-kare, goongan rice,
grilled pusit, total bill of 1,900. Kung hindi lang kami nagmamadali for our 8 p.m. bus ride, tatambay pa ako dito to chill and to taste their other food.
Minsan ko nang na-vlog ang Joy Bus. Okay, we're going back here with Maring Riz. Come with me tonight as I ride my bus. This is Joy Bus. I actually own this bus line. Mayaman ako eh.
This is just the second time I rode this Joy Bus. Pero gusto ko talaga ito kasi maluwag ang legroom, may free snacks, at may blanket for you to use for the night. Malinis at maaliwalas tignan ng paligid.
Ito yung restroom ng Joy Bus na ito.
Alright, clean naman. Para sa mga katulad kong may incontinence or ihi ng ihi, pay a little more for your convenience with this Joy Bus.
3.5 hours, almost there in Cubao.
Kaya for more of anything happy, please follow me at Occasions of Joy, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!